jeu, et ça me fait quelque chose.
Hello guys, I hope you are well. Goja, did I tell you about my journey? Yes guys, this is my journey, and as you can see, I've got 2 plates. So there's only one of my girls that is supporting me in this journey. So the other one, Utinje, no, I cannot sleep with a salad. So both of us, every day we eat this. It's either bulgur wheat, or we eat couscous, or it's a salad. I'll be showing you guys the things that I eat in my journey. So this is helping a lot because I'm not much on a starch anymore. So I don't eat pap anymore, and I don't eat rice anymore. So yes, so I hope I will see a difference by December. December figures. I hope I will see something.
Je vois la viande, mes idées, mon amour, des mots dont tu les joues, et ça me fait quelque chose.
So after my breakfast, I had to bath and head to my client that has asked me to do her house. So you will be seeing that. So what I have done there is a mood board first of what are the things that she would like to have. So you can see I've used the paletting, it's neutral colors paletting. So I have put in a picture of what she said she wanted. She wanted a round table, black round table, a brown couch. She said she wants a little bit of gold touches. Then she wants a cream curtaining. So what I have done there is the collaboration of what she wants. So you can see she got the couch from Choreographed. So what I have there is the blank canvas. We got the cream curtaining. The stand, we got it from Decofan. So that is a plain canvas. So we will be decorating the space to see if it will suit what she really wants. So we have done a railing there, a black railings that will contrast from the coffee table, from the black coffee table. So because my client has kids, so I have used the outer inner rug. You can get it from Decofan. I think it was $9.99 if not mistaken, but they will always have a sale. I think when it's on sale it's about $499. So I have used that rug. That one does not get dirty much. So if you have kids, you can have that one you can always rub it with a soap and remove the dirt. So that's how I have started to use that. So what I have used is that rug that will give you you can see it has the you can see the rug has a bit of pattern. So the pattern will assist in uplifting the space and get that luxury look. So you can see it's a plain couch, it's pattern on the rug, then your plain coffee table. So let's decorate the space and see how it comes out. And I got that flower from Decofen as well. So it's a live flower from Decofen. Oh, how does it look? Mina, I can see the difference. How does it look? What I have put there is a coffee table book. I have put the vase, a candle, a diffuser. Then I have opened the other magazine on that coffee table. So now I'm putting the pillows on the couch. So I'm using two types of pillows. Those are 60 by 60s. So those are the big cushions. So I am using 3 cushions because the couch already has its own brown big cushions. So I am just doing that to break the decor or just put color on top of the couch. Good morning, day 3. We woke up and went to the mall. So today I'm looking for a diffuser for my bedroom. So I'm not sure what I will find. Oh guys, these are so expensive. Hey, the diffusers are so expensive. But I just stole time to myself just to look and appreciate what I love. So I was just looking there. I went to at home, and there was I always go to a 20% off or a sale corner. I always go there. So there was nice things there. It is that I don't have money, but I will be taking everything that I saw there. There was nice sale and nice stuff in that.
On Friday, napanda kumbili. Tunasema hotel.
Welcome home. Welcome again, guys. As you have seen, we're from the mall. I think I'm tired. I was with my kids. Anyway, I was with my family. So we went to the mall. I needed to buy some few stuff. Out of the home content stuff, I bought few things. Then I bought some clothes or skirts that I needed. I needed 2 skirts. I'll do a haul with you just now. So I wanted hangers. Remember on my last vlog, I think I touched some hangers. So I bought these hangers, wooden hangers. I'm doing a collection because at the moment I cannot afford to buy more. So these are wooden hangers. So they come in a pack of 3. So I bought 2 of these. For now, I'm collecting hangers as I will be doing my closet. So, and I bought a diffuser, home diffuser, for my bedroom. I think I'm short of diffusers. Yes, so this is the diffuser I got. This is the diffuser I got. So it smells divine. Then I bought a skirt. It's a golf skirt. So I had one of my friends was saying we'll be going golfing. And then I bought a second jean skirt from Mr. Price. It's those denim skirts. Then I needed to buy these, but I cannot afford Stanley, so I bought a type 1. It's 400 rands. Yes, 399 rands. So it has a rubber straw. It's nice. It's nice. I don't want to say it does one and the same thing because I don't know the other one. So I bought this one. So yeah, these are all the things that I bought. I hope you are enjoying my vlogs. I hope you are subscribing or you are telling other people to subscribe. Please like this video, comment. Thank you so much for those that are following me. You have seen a potential in me. Let's grow together, guys. Let us grow together. I love you. Thank you so much for your love, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I love you. Bye. Mwah.